Hey guys, happy Halloween or Samhain. Did you guys get scared yet? Shut up now. Yeah, Halloween is a holiday where you scare people, right? It's the spirit of the holiday. So yeah, this video I'm drawing a little witch on a broomstick, picking pumpkins in the pumpkin woods. And yeah, something for Halloween basically. Here in Germany, no one celebrates Halloween. I don't know, you're celebrating Halloween? Put it in the comments. I used to celebrate as a kid when I was growing up in Ireland ages ago. And yeah, the biggest fun was always scaring people. Remember this one time we were at a little store and we had these half-shell plastic masks. I had like a zombie and my brother had a black gorilla. And I was in the store, hiding behind the door, waiting for people to come in and scare them, right? And my brother, he went outside the store and hid behind one of these postcard things, these racks where they have all the postcards. And then outside it was dark, so he had black clothing on and a black mask. And then the guy came to the store and he jumped out and went, wah! And the guy, he lunged back and was like, really scared the living spirit out of him. So that was really fun. I tried to scare him when he came in, but that time he because I was in the light in the store, he didn't react at all. I was like, shame. But I think my brother had already gotten him, so he was totally scared empty. Yeah, nowadays I don't scare anybody anymore. You weren't scared by this guy, were you? Yeah. Like, my sister celebrates it here in Germany, but she doesn't go around to houses and get candy, like kids do today. There's no more rascals like me that do bad stuff. And in Germany, you wouldn't get candy from anybody. I don't know, in your country, do they celebrate it or not? Like Ireland, America, I think England, probably Australia. The English-speaking countries do. I don't know what other countries. The Mexicans got their own holiday of the dead. Yeah, so let me know if they celebrate in your country. Let me know what you think of the picture here. Yeah, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.